What is snoring? Have you ever been kept awake by the sound of someone snoring? It can be quite a nuisance, but what exactly is happening when someone snores? Snoring is a common occurrence during sleep, where the flow of air through the throat causes the tissues to vibrate, resulting in a hoarse or harsh sound. This happens when the muscles in the throat relax, partially blocking the airway and creating turbulence in the airflow. The vibration of soft tissues leads to that distinctive snoring sound we often hear. While snoring can be a normal, occasional phenomenon, it can also be a chronic issue for some individuals. Not everyone who snores has a serious health condition, but it can sometimes indicate a sleep disorder like obstructive sleep apnea. Obstructive sleep apnea is marked by pauses in breathing during sleep, often accompanied by loud snoring. This can lead to disrupted sleep and a range of health issues. From a sleep wellness perspective, understanding snoring is important. It affects not only the quality of sleep for the person snoring but also their partner's sleep. Snoring can disrupt sleep patterns, leading to fatigue, daytime sleepiness, and other related health concerns. So, what can be done to manage snoring? There are several practical steps you can take. First, consider making some lifestyle changes. Losing weight, avoiding alcohol before bedtime, and sleeping on your side can help reduce snoring. These adjustments can make a significant difference in how well you sleep. Another effective strategy is to change your sleep position. Elevating the head of the bed slightly or using a wedge pillow can help keep the airway more open, reducing the likelihood of snoring. For more severe cases, medical devices or surgery may be recommended to alleviate snoring and improve sleep quality. Consulting with a healthcare professional can help determine the best course of action for you. Incorporating these strategies into your sleep routine can help manage snoring and improve overall sleep wellness. Remember, a good night's sleep is essential for both physical health and mental well-being. So, if snoring is affecting your sleep, it may be time to take action and find a solution that works for you.